Doctor, the EKG shows a flat line. The patient is dead. He was the patient that got shot.
Well, do you know why he died?
No. You are the doctor. You should know.
Did you check the IV bag?
Yes, I think it was the right one.
You put the wrong IV bag, didn't you?
I don't know if I did. But even if I did, why would it matter? What would happen?
Well, if the IV fluid was the wrong one, it would basically kill the patient. For example, if distilled water was the solution in the IV bag, then the patient would die because the water would want to move into the red blood cells. So basically the fluid went into the patient's bloodstream. The water passed through the red blood cells membrane in the attempt to maintain homeostasis in the red blood cells lysed.
So the distilled water diffused through the membrane because the intracellular concentration was not equal to the extracellular concentration. In this case, the specific type of diffusion was osmosis, and that works by what?
Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Because the membrane is permeable, water from the hypotonic passes through the membrane to the hypertonic. This is the net movement of water from the area of high concentration to the area of low concentration. It will tend to move to a lower concentration to reach equilibrium. This will create two isotonic solutions.
I still don't get it.
Okay. Let's take this slowly. Let's talk about animal cells. Animal cells always have to be placed in solutions of equal osmotic strength to their cytoplasm. This relates to the human kidneys. The kidneys regulate the extracellular osmotic strength so that it is always equal to the intracellular strength. The expulsion of water and salts is controlled by the hypothalamus. That organ is located in the brain. This process is called osmoregulation.
I don't think I'm ever going to understand what all this is about.
I remember 5 years ago, when researchers at UCLA proposed that they have created a reverse osmosis semi-permeable membrane. If our red blood cells had a reverse osmosis semi-permeable membrane, then using distilled water would kill him as well, albeit in a different manner. His cells would shrivel and die.
And I care why?
Well, you should.
Well, I don't.
You know what? You're fired.
Why? You need me. I'm the best nurse you have.
I don't need you. I can work by myself.
What? How can you fire your own wife?
Well, you're not anymore.
Want a divorce and half your assets.
Okay, bye.